Hello, welcome to Leading Forklift Parts Sharing Videos. Today, I will show you the forklift transmission parts, the torque converter. Let's look at this torque converter here. A forklift torque converter is the main component of the hydraulic transmission assembly, which is the automatic transmission gearbox. A torque converter is a hydraulic coupling that automatically and continuously converts the power from the forklift engine into the output speed and torque, according to the working requirement. A forklift torque converter includes a torque converter housing, impeller, starter, turbine, and input pallet, flex pallet. This torque converter is an OEM part. The manufacturer is Zhejiang Tieliu Company, a well-known listed company with a long history. The torque converters are mounted on many China forklifts, such as HELI, JAC, Hangcha, and so on. Let's quickly review today's topic, the forklift transmission parts, the torque converter. For more information and any question about the forklift parts, welcome to contact us. Thank you very much for watching our video. Goodbye.